These are 3D printed vitamins.
Trying to find a good way to end this.
What's up guys, it's K with 3D printing technology. So for this week's video, I have something kind of different than normal. I have a 3D printed food item. These are vitamins that were 3D printed in a special process from a company based in the UK. I found this company scrolling through some posts on Instagram, I believe, and I thought it'd be a cool product to try out on camera and just to show you guys how far the 3D printing process industry has come to where we're now being able to 3D print food items. If you saw a few videos ago, we did like a 3D printing in 2020 or 2019 recap type video. We went over some of the more popular food items being 3D printed, like pizza, vitamins, chocolate, sushi, etc. And so I was able to get my hands on the vitamins to try out. If I can, I'll leave the link in the description down below of where you can get them at. Here is the packaging. It has the address on both sides. I'm not going to show you too much of it. This is pretty thin. I think this is a 48 or 24 count box. And you can see what it has: plastic free, sugar free, vegan, high impact, and made in the UK. So this company offers several different varieties of vitamins. I'll show you some of them online, and they even have an option where you can personalize your vitamins. I believe it's like a 6 or 7 layer vitamin where you can put like zinc, vitamin A, vitamin C, different types of vitamin nutrients into one chewable tablet type thing. And also their packaging for the vitamins is eco-friendly. Boxes made of cardboard. The individual wrappers or some sort of biodegradable plastic that you can compost outside of your home or in your garden or somewhere. Also, one more thing to note: since this is an UK based company, and if you live outside of the United Kingdom, you're going to pay more in shipping cost. Alright, so opening it up, we can see what we have. So you're marketing as a personal customizable vitamin. You can see the different vitamins laid out. These are all the same kind. So it's about like a 24 or 28 count stack. So here is the individual packaging. It's Nourish 3D, it's the company name. I got the Inner Beauty vitamin, and here's the best by date. And on the back, we have made in Britain, vegan, and this is some sort of okay to compost symbol. Instructions: take 1 gummy stack daily. This packaging is home compostable, part of a multi-pack, not to be sold separately. And yeah, that's what the packaging looks like. Open one of those up for you guys in just a minute. So here's what I got: the interview stack. So yeah, like I was saying, it's 7 high impact nutrients. This vitamin is focused on strengthening nails, encourages hair growth, and protects against signs of aging. Flip it on the back, that's what we have. In your beauty stack, you can see the 7 nutrient layers expanded. This is what each of them are. So we got vitamin E, which is a glow giver, selenium, glucose regulation. Here's some of the ingredients. And here's my nutrition info. Yeah, I'll leave this up on the screen for a minute so you guys can pause and read it if you want to. Moving on, the other pamphlet we got was pretty much business card type stuff. That's it for the packaging part of the video. So now I'll open one of these vitamin packs up, show it off to you guys, and try out see what it tastes like. So here's a clip of how they 3D print some of the vitamins. Okay, so now that I've explained what the 3D printed vitamin is and like how it's made and some of the nutrients in it, we're going to actually taste one of these. So we're going to open this package up and take a closer look at the vitamins and its 7 nutrient layers, and then we'll do a taste test and I'll give some thoughts on it. Okay, so we got one of the packages here. Already went over the labels on the outside. So this is the compostable packaging. It feels like a normal plastic packaging. But okay. So opening it up, we can see the vitamin. Get a closer look of it for you. So we can see the 6 or 7 layers it has. It has this sort of sugary texture on the outside. It's a hex shaped. It's kind of squished like a gummy feeling to it. Okay, so now I want to taste one of these and where you guys know how it tastes. It has sort of a fruity candy type smell to it. So it tastes similar to candy, I suppose. Like a fruity, chewy type candy. I'm not sure which one yet, but. And then the taste is something similar to it as well. The texture and taste is similar to a chewy fruit candy, I guess. It has a sugary texture. It's definitely a candy taste to me. Like a sugary textured candy type taste. It's actually not too bad. It's pretty decent taste to it. It's not as sour or bitter as I would expect a traditional silver or sour type vitamin. Here's what the inside looks like, similar to the outside. It kind of has a tiny bitter aftertaste to it. To try and get, I think what comes to mind is, well, if you're in the United States, I'm sure you're familiar with this candy. It's like a Sweethearts rope, super fruit snack type thing. It's like really firm, chewy texture. That's what comes to mind initially when tasting it. And then the taste is something similar to it as well. It's not a bad taste, and it's not 100% like a candy taste either. It's sort of like a super gummy vitamin mixed with like a fruit chewy candy type taste with like a sugar powder on the outside coating texture. So my thoughts on this is It's a really innovative idea, and I hope it works out for Neurus 3D and they're able to make progress on this technology, either branching out into other fields like perhaps pills or other food industries. As for this particular product, I think there's some work to do on the cost manufacturing side, at least for the non-United Kingdom customers, because the price point is really difficult to justify for in the United States. I probably wouldn't order it on a regular basis for myself since the shipment cost is quite expensive. But I think the nutrient thing is something that I can look forward to in the future for personalized vitamins and stuff like that. And maybe they'll add or change some of the nutrient layers around. You get like different options that we haven't listed yet. Maybe they branch out into personalized medicine or candy or something. That'd be some cool things they could look at. Overall, I think this is a good 3D printed product. Anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video for this week. If you'd like to be on today's videos first, make sure to click subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.